Do you know that the Huawei Mate X-T trifold phone, often mistaken by a time traveler as an ancient artifact, is actually a groundbreaking piece of modern technology? This device, with its sleek design and innovative functionality, is the first of its kind, boasting a trifold mechanism that transforms a single device into three distinct configurations. Its development marked a significant leap in the evolution of smartphones, blending cutting-edge technology with futuristic design to create a gadget that seems almost magical to those unfamiliar with its capabilities. The Huawei Mate X-T trifold phone is not just about its folding prowess. It features a stunning AMOLED display that seamlessly transitions between its various forms, ensuring users experience no loss in resolution or clarity. The device is powered by an advanced chipset that can handle the demands of multitasking across its triple-fold design. With a battery that adapts to its usage, the Mate X-T is both efficient and environmentally conscious. This phone redefines what it means to be a smartphone, pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve. One fun fact that you must know today is that the Mate X-T's trifold capability was inspired by ancient scrolls and the way they could be compactly stored yet easily unfurled to reveal vast amounts of information. Huawei's engineers took inspiration from history to design a phone that is both highly functional and reminiscent of an age-old method of information sharing. This blend of old and new is what gives the Mate X-T its unique charm and allure, capturing the imaginations of tech enthusiasts and, apparently, time travelers alike. What do you think about this fascinating piece of technology? Does the Huawei Mate X-T trifold phone seem like an artifact of immense power to you, or is it simply a marvel of modern engineering? Share your thoughts on how this innovation might shape the future of smartphone design and functionality.